Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to Raisen's Playbook. And in this video, we will be talking about 5 autobody and painting myths. So let's get the video started. So the first autobody and painting myth is you must use the repair shop which your insurer recommends you. So guys, you don't have to always go near a repair shop which your insurer recommends you. There are many repair shops that you can go to and then claim your insurance. So moving on to the next myth, and the second myth is only the dealer where you bought your car from can repair your vehicle. So that was myth number 2. Guys, you can repair your vehicle outside also, to any repair shop also. It is a myth that you can repair it only near the dealership. So let's move on to the third myth, and the third myth is a local repair or auto body shop cannot fully restore your vehicle. Guys, these local auto body shops or repair shops are very good in what they are doing because they are private. Because if they don't do their work properly, people will not come to them. So they will try their level best to get your work done in the best possible way. But there are repair shops which are not good in their work as well. But it is your job to figure out who is doing their job well and give your vehicle to repair near that person. So that was myth number 3. Moving on to myth number 4, and the fourth myth is you cannot do auto body repairs by yourself, which is a huge myth because people don't know how to do auto body repairs by themselves, or they're scared of the tools that they want or the time it will take for them to repair the vehicle, or only half knowledge about how to do the auto body repairs make them feel that they cannot do the repairs by themselves. But it is a huge myth. You can easily do your own auto body repairs at home by yourself. I do it all the time and I also teach how to do it. So if you are interested, then you can go down below and check the description for the basic auto body and painting home study course. So that was myth number 4. Let's move on to myth number 5. And the fifth myth is the insurer pays for all the expense. Now it depends on what type of insurance you have. Some have zero debt insurance which do pay for all the repair, but you'll have to pay a small amount like 1,000 rupees as an application fee. But most of the people don't do this type of insurances and they are not aware that they have to pay a certain amount of money when they apply for a repair with their insurer. So those were the 5 auto body and painting myths. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Pranani signing out until we meet again.